Now let's take a look at the next example. Underneath the temperature problem, we have a problem about an airplane and its altitude. Here we go. And now it's your turn to read the problem, define the variable, and write an equation. What we're going to ask you to do is pause the video and restart it when you have the equation written. Please stop the video now. So as you restart the video, be ready to make any corrections to what you have already written. So we need to find out how many minutes the plane would take to descend that far. We'll set up m as the variable. And as you set up the equation, it'll be 38,000 minus the 600 times m, which equals 18,800. I've drawn a picture to illustrate what has happened. And to get the variable by itself, I changed the subtraction to adding the opposite. Then I got rid of the 38,000 by subtracting 38,000 from both sides. And on the left side, I have negative 600 times m remaining. And when we subtract 18,800 minus 38,000, we end up with negative 19,200 on the right-hand side. All we got to do now is divide both sides by negative 600, which is the inverse operation of multiplying by negative 600. Now what I allow you to do is you need to finish the problem by finding out what m is, show the check step, and write the answer in a sentence. Pause the video to do this. So for the last example, Jenny scored 92 of a possible 120 points on a test. If she lost 4 points for each incorrect answer, we're supposed to find out how many incorrect answers she had. So that would be the variable, how many incorrect answers she had. Since 92 was her final score, let's set that up equal to how she got there. So there's 120 points she could have had, and you would subtract 4 points for every one she missed, so you subtract minus 4i from the 120. Subtracting 4i can be rewritten as adding the opposite of 4i. And now we want to get the variable by itself, so let's subtract 120 from both sides. Then we're going to end up having to divide by negative 4 from both sides. Ended up with a result of 7 equals I. Then I did the check step, and I found out that Jenny had 7 incorrect answers on that test.